right, back inside of your 61 basement. You know, these vintage amps are incredible. Just filled with mystery and the goodness of the old technology, the old construction style. So let's get her picked up, and I'll turn her over. And then we'll see what falls out. You'll be amazed at what falls out of these old amps after you finish working on them for a few hours. So let's check that out. Let me change camera angles. We're going to talk about this elephant in the room. I don't know why they would reference 180 watts. That's not even relevant. So, I'm going to get rid of this. Let's look at shaking it out. Let's get all that filth out of there. And this is the technique. You just grab it like this. You'll lift it up. Just give it a little thing like that. And you just never know what's good. What is that? Let me set this down. What is that? Hold on. Oh, I'll just do it on the camera. What is that? Gently set that down. Back on a chassis stand. Okay, it's some kind of note. Let me grab something to read this with. Move my coffee. Good old espresso shot. Oh, great. May 19th, 1962. Frank, it's me again. You from the past. Your interweb career isn't going to work. The October 2024 Powerball numbers you want are